All right, so we're about to start a new project, and that would be the stock trading and cryptocurrency trading project. Now, what do you see when you look at the screen? I'm on Yahoo Finance, and there's a lot of data on here related to trading. We have a bunch of different indexes. I can come here and I can look for one. Let's look for Facebook. That's something we all use a lot, Facebook Inc. Click on that. So that's the Facebook Inc., the company Facebook Inc. That is the price of the stock. The ticker of the stock is FB, right? And then there's all this information about the stock price, right? The opening price, the bid price, the ask price, the range. So there's a lot of good information that a trader would use to make investment decisions. Now you can come here to this website and be monitoring your different prices. You could sign up for some of those brokerage accounts. But this is an Excel course. I'm going to show you how to import data from a website. And in this case, I'm going to be using stock data. And then later we'll talk about cryptocurrency data and how to use it to make calculations and calculate your profitability. Let me give you a quick look of what we are trying to achieve here. I have my Excel spreadsheet, stock market trade sheet. I have an equities tab where you'll type in all the tickers for the companies that you're trying to check. That will pull in the prices and the sectors for those companies. There will also be a trade sheet that you will use to calculate profitability. And there'll be another tab which will summarize your total profit for each position and your long position and short position for each company that you own. So right now I have one example on there, which is IBM. You can see the price is $124. It's in the software and IT industry. Let's look at Facebook. All I have to do is type FB, hit enter. If it doesn't pull in automatically, I just click on stocks. And there we go. Maybe, let me see if I can look at Amazon. There you go. Let me see if I can look at Google. There you go. What else? What else can I look at? Wait, what about Bitcoin? Now, I'm going to have a different video where I show you how to pull in cryptocurrency specifically, because there's tons and tons of cryptocurrencies. But for some of the major ones, you could actually pull it in using this stocks field. So like Bitcoin, for example, which is BTC. There you go. It pulls in the price. And Litecoin is the same thing. There you go. Pulls in the price. So I've shown you it's pretty easy to pull in stock data. And then after that, you'll just go to your trade sheet. And then in your trade sheet, you'll decide to buy, maybe. Let's say you want to buy the Facebook. All right. How many shares? Maybe you want to buy 10 shares of Facebook. What is the entry price? The current price right now is $278, right? Because we're pulling in the live stock prices. So we know the current price for Facebook is $278. Maybe we want to buy it. Maybe we bought it at $265. So this is how much we paid. For 10 shares at a price of $265, we paid $2,650, right? This is how much we're risking. And this is our current profit. So if you bought it at if you bought 10 shares at $265, you pay $2,650 for that. And since the current price has gone up to $278, you have made $130, which is 4.91% growth. You're risking this much. And what that means is if the price goes from $278 all the way down to zero, you have lost $2,650. Now, you could reduce your risk by putting what is called a stop loss order, which means that if it falls to a certain price, get me out of the trade. So let's say I bought it at $265 and I put in a stop loss order of $200. So we're saying if the price falls to $200, take me out of the trade, hit enter. Then you can see what we're risking is no longer $2,650. It is the amount of money you would have lost if you dropped it down to $200 in price. And now if you just look at the portfolio summary, it has all the trades that you're currently pulling in, but the only one that you have a long position in is Facebook. You have 10 shares of Facebook and your current profitability is $130. Your net position in Facebook is 10. What that means is your net position, long and short. Long means you bought, short means you sold. So if I had sold Facebook, I can quickly show you that. Let's come and say it says sold Facebook. I forgot to hit this, put in sold, so S, sold, okay? Now if I come back to portfolio summary, it will show that my net position in Facebook is 0, right? So I have a long position, which is a buy position. I have a short position, the same amount, so my net position is 0. What if I only sold 5 shares? Then my net position would be 5. Right? So this is what we're going to build today. We're going to pull in stock data. We're going to analyze the stock data. And you're going to make use of a lot of the skills we've learned throughout the course. We're just getting a little more advanced. So let's get started.